Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on your photos that you wish to add or select Gallery section and pick them from here. The difference is, over here you need to choose Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!